Hi everyone, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to show you how to set up a Works Cited page and also to show you how to cite articles from our textbook. Alright, so the first thing you want to look at is how the page is formatted. I have a header up here in the right hand corner with my last name and the page number. Normally, this number here would be the last page of my essay, so maybe page 4, page 7. In this case, it's just a works cited page, so it's page 1. You can insert this by choosing Insert Page Number and then typing your name beside the page number. The next thing I want you to notice is that the whole page is double spaced. There are no extra spaces between the title and the first entry, and there are no extra spaces between the two entries. At the top and centered, we put the title Works Cited. If you have more than one work, you're going to want to put an S on the end of it. If you're only citing one source, which you probably won't be in our class, you would put Work Cited singular. All right, another thing to notice about formatting is that we have two sources here. Sources start at the left-hand margin, and then if they go more than one line, as both of these do, you use a hanging indent. You can do this by pressing the Tab key one time. If this doesn't work, you can also go set up your document as an MLA document that already has that formatted into the Works Cited page. You can also if you press Tab and everything moves over, you can press Tab, Delete, Enter, Tab, and it should work. So it's Tab, Delete, Enter, Tab. So when I start the new entry, you'll see I went back to the left-hand column. It's more than one line, so the second line is indented. Now, if you had 3 or 4 lines down here, those would also be indented. So you only go to the left when you're starting a new entry. Another thing to notice is that these are in alphabetical order by the first letter of the entry. H comes before L. All right, so that's the basic setup of the page. In addition to that, I want to talk through how to cite articles from your book. So you have last name, comma, first name. There's an initial here as well. Period after the name. So last name, comma, first name, period. After that, we have the title of the article in quotation marks, with a period here to the left of the quotation marks. The next thing, and from about here to here, your entries will be the exact same as this. You'll have the title of the book italicized, and make sure you're capitalizing it, comma, edited by the name of the editors, comma, the publisher, comma, the year, comma, and then this means page, so you do PP period, and then you insert the page number here. So basically, if you want to use this document, which you can find on the assignment page, if you want to use this as a template, the only thing you would need to change is the name of the writer, the name of the article, and the page number. So hopefully that's helpful to you. The only other thing we want to remember is how do we cite two names? Like if you have 2 authors, which you will for this assignment, how do you do it? So what you'll do is last name, comma, first name. Okay, so that part's the same. Then you're going to do a comma, the word and then for the second author, you're going to do first name, last name. So it will be last name, comma, first name, comma, and first name, last name, period. All right, I hope this is helpful. Good luck on your assignment.